Hey everybody, this is Eric for Little Whitehouse, and today I wanted to talk about tools. I'm thankful for the tools that I have to make YouTube videos. I have several different cameras. I have a laptop, of course, and an editing program. Now, for the most part, the last couple of weeks, I haven't done a whole lot of editing. It's just been throwing up a short vlog, maybe a few extra pictures in there or something like that, but editing is something that I really enjoy, and I'm thankful that I have the editing program that I got. I got PowerDirector 17. I have used other ones in the past, and I'm just really pleased with the way this one works. So if anybody is looking for a editing program, I would certainly recommend PowerDirector. I also enjoy taking pictures, still photos. I know that many of you have seen some of my work, and I just like being out in nature and being able to take pictures, especially when the seasons change and there's a lot of color, or being out in my garden and being able to take pictures. Those are things that I enjoy and I appreciate. And so I'm thankful that I have the tools to do those things, and the tool, the ability to not only take those pictures to be able to share them with people, kind of like seeing the world through my eyes. Not that my eyes are any better than anybody else's, but it's something when you turn around and you just see a deer and you're able to take a picture of it, or you drive to the beach and you can see a sunset and you're able to get pictures of it. Or maybe the fall colors where the bushes are red and the trees are orange and the evergreens are still deep green, and they all kind of mesh together. That kind of thing I just enjoy being able to share. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can receive more of our videos. Leave us a comment in the comment section below letting us know what you're thankful for today. And don't forget, we're on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.